I got some fresh material, man, just to add. Like right now, I just want to consolidate a little geothermal chemical lexicon right here. Like you got chemtrail, or that's what they call it, is a persistent contrail, chemtrail, same thing. It's like when a plane flies and a line stays in the sky, and they can do a lot of things with it. Like some people are saying they're hitting it with rays and it's spreading out in a certain pattern. Like right now, like dude, they've been doing weather engineering heavy right now, heavy, dude. You can look into South Carolina, and like listen, the other day I just drove by a NOAA, a NOAA satellite place, and right now there's a gag stand down order on all weather, news broadcastings, all that. I'm excited to see what the chemtrail forecast is going to be in the future. I catch these chemtrails constantly on video. All right, there's on and off spray, where that means they go, they stop, that's blank, and then they shoot out a little one, and sometimes you'll see them in little puff balls. I mean, uh, that's one way you can see. I've been seeing curved chemtrails lately. Seen it a few times. So bent chemtrail, shadow chemtrail. There's chemtrails will make a double line, and one line will just be shadow. So that's a shadow trail, shadow chemtrail. Then we got. I've been catching these things straight up in the North Star position but towards the sun. Look towards the sun, then look up into North Star position, and you'll see a rainbow up there, and it's an upside down rainbow, like the shape like a cup, like a U, like a chalice. You know what I'm saying? So, and then to the left and the right of the sun, just about, just a little bit lower than the sun itself, but on each side there's a little bright spot, and a lot of sun dogs are produced out of this. You got to look into that. It's these strange light patterns that emerge in the sky. It almost looks like plasma. It moves around, it jumps around, it looks like it's living or it's dancing sometimes. Uh, so that's a crazy subject right there. But yeah, you got coronas. That's when there's a big circle. Like you don't know exactly what's causing it. They say moisture particles, ice fragments, but I don't think so. I think it's to do with the chemtrails that they're constantly spraying back and forth. You got tic-tac-toe chems. That's when it's shaped with the tic-tac-toe. You got Wolverine claws, which there'll be like 5 of them shot out like this. Uh, you got milky luminescence. Milky luminescence is when there'll be a strange glow. It won't be necessarily the cloud. It's a strange phenomenon. If you watch the sun enough, you'll see it eventually. You'll know what I'm talking about. When you see things, the sky is just strangely lit up. You know what I mean? Or it'll almost be like, yeah, it'll be like there's a cloud in the air, like a film. You know what I'm saying, that you can't see till the sun hits it just right. Uh, Let me think what else we got out here. All right, you got chem snow, which is strange snow, and then we had this time when the snow was burning black. But before all that even happened, the first snow that year, and this was right around the time when they were doing the blackout programming. They even did shows on TV of predictive programming propaganda, and they were switching off people's power around the country, just testing out in preparation for this, for Zero Dark 30, martial law, Renaissance, Jade Lion, Fun Camp, Psy Officer, Executive Order 66, Bottleneck, Rex, King Alfred, Iron Mountain, basically. But let me think what else we got with this guy. Phenomenon. We got sky clouds now, holograms. Listen, Blue Beam Messiah. Listen, I've caught a couple figures in the sky that were pretty good. I can't say for sure. You can never say for sure. I've caught reptilianoid looking beings, all kinds of faces in the sky, like strange demonic faces. I mean, it's insane. I know this stuff could just happen, but to see the sun dogs, the chemtrails, the chembo, the chem snow, even the thing about the chem snow is it looked like those little styrofoam that falls out of plants. All this stuff, all the snow looked like that. I just thought how strange that was. But let me think here. I just seen this video on Adam 1984 channel of chem webs now. Okay, and I didn't realize chem web was what it was. I've saw it before, and I thought, man, is there a bunch of spiders out here? And I've seen it before, but I didn't know that's what it was, or just a long cord of wire just hanging from out of nowhere. You would think, oh, that's just a spider. Oh, that's just a silkworm or something. You know, that's just a little worm out here making this stuff. Uh, but no, what if it's coming out of the sky? So you got all kind of this crazy atmospheric phenomenon going on. And I've got a lot of it documented. I mean, this freak rainbows. I've caught sundogs. This strange look. All these chembos, man. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, I know that people don't. A lot of people, when you say chembo, they get all like mad about it, like because you don't. It's like, what is the scientific terminology? It's something you've never seen before. I mean, they'll make something up like it's something Morgala. Morgala is what they're saying is causing the sky situation, the sky cities. But we had lights coming in pillar lights shooting off. We've been having holograms in the sky. Like I said, man, I've got some pictures of some pretty hologrammy looking clouds, man. Square clouds. I've seen triangle clouds, but my fucking camera wasn't working when I seen it was like a triangle. It just was too symmetrical to be just the fucking natural clouds. Clouds don't operate in 90-degree angles. That's why you should never see a tic-tac-toe cloud. You know what I'm saying? And the fact that the chemtrail itself is making the shadow chemtrail is showing there's something in that blots out the sun. You know what I'm saying? I'm just 2 + 2 = 4. I mean, the stuff ain't that hard to figure out, and I've been watching it hardcore. And these are just some terms in here that you can add to your geothermal engineering lexicon, because these phenomena are going on. So it's crazy. Yeah, if you're into that, yeah, I got my new video thing. Every once in a while, it's called the chemtrail forecast. I mean, all I can do is what's around where I'm at when I make the video. So I normally wait until I can see I'll walk outside first time of the day, and I'll go like this, and I'll see like 5 lines across the sky. I'll be running around like taking pictures, sending them out, then erasing them and taking some more. I mean, that's the way. Here's the thing: when you do it, and if you ever do it, where you just set aside a moment to sky watch and get some chemtrails and stuff or some footage. If you see something crazy, take a bunch of cameras or take a bunch of pictures. Hammer it while you got the opportunity. If you see a sundog, dude, snap some pictures and keep taking them until it stops. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the best way to do it on certain events, because there is some events that are quite crazy, and you need to kind of have endurance, because if you bang out all your footage, you don't want to use up all your memory, you'll be all bogged down. You won't catch it all. That's something I noticed about it. So I've had to develop my system and get better at taking pictures, erasing them, letting stuff upload, then erasing it all, then running back out and documenting another session. Dude, damn gremlins, man.